Now moving on to package rule settings. These are used to set cost-effective delivery fees. In order to do so, an operator needs to set certain regulations regarding a certain order. Package rules depend on the price type of the given delivery. The software is equipped with 4 price types options. First, linear, bucket, box, and volume. We will discuss those in detail a little bit later. So in order to add a new package rule, you need to click the package rule settings and press the plus button located in the top right corner of the page. Once this following screen appears, you need to fill in the fields. Give a name, description, set status to active, select a courier company, select a service type, select the price type, for example linear, we'll start with linear, and select client type, cash client or merchants. They identify the mean of payment that the client would be using. Cash clients, they can only use cash, and merchants, they can use card and cash. So let's pick cash clients, give quickly a name and a quick description, and then press add prices. Once the following screen has appeared, you need to fill in the fields. Base price kg included, km included, price per kg, weight, price per km, base RTO price, and RTO price per kg. What these mean? Base price refers to the base service fare. Kg included indicates the weight that is included in base service fare. Km included refers to a distance included in base service fare. Price per kg refers to additional price that will be charged for an additional kilogram of weight. Weight refers to the maximum weight that could be transported. Price per km refers to the additional price that will be charged for an additional kilometer that is not included in base service fare. Base RTO price refers to an RTO price included in base service fare. RTO price per kg refers to an additional RTO price that will be charged for an additional kg. So as an example, we will input 200 as a base price, 5 kg included in the base service fare, and 10 kilometers included in the base service fare. Price per kg will be 10. Weight, the maximum weight, is going to be 20. Price per km will be 10. Base RTO price 50. And RTO price per kg would be 5. So on the screen, you can see that the base price starting delivery price is set to 200, with 5 kg and 10 kilometers included in it. If the weight of an item exceeds 5 kg, 10 conditional units will be charged for an additional kg. The same logic applies to distance. Weight field indicates the maximum weight allowed for a given delivery. Now we need to add rules and conditions for this given package rule. In order to do so, we need to press the gray arrow, press the toggle, and press add condition. Then choose any condition from the drop-down menu, city from, and then add condition once again in city to. This will define the area for delivery. We will pick any city from the drop-down menu, for example, RLC, and then our parcel will go from RLC to Almodoria. And then to lock in the changes for the specific delivery, we need to click the double arrow and save changes. Another price type that we'll be reviewing is bucket price type. Fill in the fields, name, description, set status to active, select a courier company, select a service type, express or express delivery, depending on what you have in the drop-down menu. So set price type to bucket and select a client type. In this case, it will be cash clients again, and press the add prices button. Base price, indicate the base price is going to be 100 in this case. Match mode, only kg, only km, km and kg, km or kg. So these really depend on your requirements. If you want to charge your customer based on the weight of the delivery exclusively, you select only kg. Same applies to distance. Or you want the distance and weight to be charged, you select km, kg, or mutually exclusive km or kg. So for now, we'll pick only kg, weight from, meaning the starting weight, that will be included in our base price, weight to, limit, that is included in base price, km included, indicate whatever number you prefer, price per kg, this indicates the additional price that will be charged for an additional kg, so let's say 20, weight, the maximum weight that applies for this type of delivery, say 50 kilograms, price per km, additional price that will be charged for km. Here we say 0 just because our match mode is only kg. And base RTO price, let's say it's 10, and RTO price, additional RTO price per kg, per additional kg, will be 5. We also need to add conditions. Press the gray arrow, press the toggle, add condition. I will choose city from and city to indicate the area of delivery. Pick any city from the drop-down menu and lock in the changes. The same logic applies for other price types. For example, box. You choose box, fill in the fields, add prices, base price, indicate base price. For this case, it's going to be 300 box. Count included will be 10. So what box price type mean? It calculates the price for delivery based on the number of boxes that you are transporting. So 10 boxes will be included in base service fare. Price per box count will indicate the additional price that will be charged per an additional box. So it's going to be 20. Box count increment refers to the maximum number of boxes that could be transported for this specific delivery. It's going to be, say, 100. Base RTO price that is included in base service fare, again, to 20. RTO price per box is the additional price, 30. And choose sample field. This indicates the size of the box that you intend on transporting. Let's put medium box size. Again, you need to add rules and conditions for this delivery. So we already know how to do that. Add condition, add condition. You can also choose customer neighborhood from. You don't have to choose city. If you're delivering within the same city, you can indicate like neighborhood from and neighborhood to, or pick up warehouse, up to you. And then indicate the neighborhood. Let's say it's Shayhantahur and to Ujtaba. Lock in the changes. And the final price type is volume. Volume price type refers to the method of charging your customer based on the volume of items they intend on transporting. So by default, we need to fill in the name, give a description, set status to active, select a courier company, select the service type, set price type to volume because we're talking about volume, and client type. Add prices and indicate the base price. Say 400. Volume included indicates the volume included in the base service fare. Let's say it's 30 meters cube. Price per volume is the additional price that will be charged per an additional cubic meter of volume. Volume per increment in this case, and RTO volume per increment. You have to pay attention to this because once you put, for example, 10, let's say 10, and here 10. So what these two fields mean, if a volume increases by 10 centimeters, cubic centimeters, your customer will be charged 10 additional conditional units for a 10 cubic centimeter increase. Base RTO price is 20. Additional RTO price that will be charged per an additional cubic centimeter will be 3, for example. Again, add rules and conditions. Neighborhood to, neighborhood from, it could be anything you want. And then we have our default selections here and lock in the changes.